Hello students, in this video we will learn how to install Visual Studio for running VB.NET programs. Now first you should type Visual Studio in Google. Now there are different versions of Visual Studio, 2013, Visual Studio 15, 17 and latest version is 19. According to your system requirement, RAM size, you can download this version. Now I am downloading this 2019 latest version. In this you have to click on first Visual Studio.microsoft.com, this link. Now it is given there are three types: community, professional and enterprise. You can select community version, download this file. Now I am not downloading because I have already downloaded and installed. You have to just click on this download, free download. One file, setup file will be downloaded. Then you have to just click next for follow all the instructions and just you have to click on next button. So during this installation you have to select one option, that is, it will show you this window. You have to select workload, which workload should be selected for installing Visual Basic programs. Desktop application, you should select .NET Desktop Development. Select this option and click on next, and all other windows are default windows. You have to just click on next, and finally this Visual Studio will be installed in your machine.